Day 3, I have a sprout of chaos. Yeah. If I close myself here, I will cry. Holy shit. Oh, I close myself. Let me call the husband. Fee? Love? Fee? Where is he? I cannot even see me too. Love? I lock myself. Just lock myself out. Try to see. Love, I'm locked. I'm locked out there.
Order.
Thank you. Good morning, everybody. So in today's video is on 22nd May. I think I'm so late with my garden, but I'm gonna try to plant some of my vegetables here because Oli, what a messy. No problem, we just messed a little bit. It's okay, messing sometimes is just okay because it's come like accidental. So I messed this one, it's fall. I wanted to show you my veggies. So these are my veggies that I'm gonna plant on 22nd of May. I was back in Kenya, so I didn't have time to start my garden earlier in Norway because Norway is very, very cold country where I live. I don't live in the south, I live at the Arctic Circle by the north. So this is my life, and it is my new life that I started here in Norway. So this is where I'll be living, and this is my home forever. Like I will never have another home. If I just go Kenya, it's just visiting my family back there. But my new family and my family is here in Norway. So this is my new life. The life begins now. I'm waiting for my residence card. It's coming very, very soon, so that I will be Norwegian. I will be allowed to live here. Maybe not, maybe yeah. So let's wait and see. Let's go to the garden. Go to the garden. Yes guys, now we are in the garden. Oh, things are falling, but it's okay. We are here in the garden and we are gonna plant kales, spinach. Yeah, that is what I'm gonna plant today because onions are not ready yet. The reason why I plant this my kales at this stage, 22nd of May, I started my seedling on 13th of May. So I see these my pots, they don't have like a hole in the bottom, and then they are not deep. I didn't put a lot of soil, so you can see the roots are crawling down here, which will be very, very difficult for me to take them out. So that's why I decided to transplant them and fill the garden very early. So today I'm filling my garden very early with plants. So this is my mini project here, my mini project garden that I'm filling with the plants. Okay, so now let's see what is going on in my garden in Kenya. So Elsa is taking care of my garden back in Kenya. So let's see that. Yeah. There we go. First seed on the ground. Second seed on the ground. Yeah! How cool is this? So it is so cold here in this village. Like, I don't know if my plants will survive. I'm happy anyway. Okay, let's carry on. Third seed on the ground. Okay, I'm done with spinach, with kales. Now I'm on to spinach over here. I'm gonna put the spinach, cilantro. So I'm just gonna take spinach out. Oh, somebody's coming for the hike. Cool.
Oh, your battery is only 9%.
Yeah, but I'm done.
Oh well, so we have a good...
Got it.
Yeah.
This is my mini project.
Yeah, and we get rid of that. We have so many pallets.
Yeah, you can show the junk.
See, these are the junk pallets. We have many junk pallets. So they become a garden now.
From trash to treasure. Right?
Yeah. And that is what we're gonna do with these orange things. In Norwegian called the bruitensticker. We put them on the side of the road for the snow. As you can see where it is, the road. So we ordered some more. So they get coming here on Tuesday. Then we can put a net over the garden for the insects.
Yeah. First I'm having a garden in Norway.
Yeah, and you're only 1 week here now.
Yeah. And I'm waiting for my car. Maybe
You've been here now exactly 2 weeks.
2 weeks now.
Yeah, 2